A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelem bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Salesians for Social, the non-profit organization of the Salesians in Italy that manages the sector of educational poverty and youth hardship, has become an associative network with the approval of the new statutes by the National Assembly of Associates gathered in Rome on 7 and 8 June 2024. The association takes on a new role with its 306 members and 70 associates. The new statutes recover the meaning and action of the founding fathers and the promoting body. It is not a formal question but a substantial one because it concerns the identity of our association to a single national and territorial identity diversified for the social mission. April marked the end of the SAMP, Supporting Alliance for African Mobility, and Erasmus Plus pilot project financed by the European Commission to test and educational mobility of students and professionals between Africa and Europe in the field of vocational education and training (VET), especially the engineering and manufacturing, hospitality and agriculture sectors. The project aimed to pilot educational mobility and to exchange knowledge, methodologies and good practices among VET centers in Africa and Europe, improving knowledge, technical and pedagogical skills of VET centers, staff and students. On the feast day of Mary Help of Christians, 24th May, the Salesian province of the southern Philippines rejoiced at the priestly ordination of 3 new Salesians, 2 of them from the Philippines and 1 from Pakistan. In the afternoon, Bishop Patricio Abela Buzon SDP, Bishop of Bacolod, presided over the ordinations of the Salesians Antonio Velarde and Gensen Banguis at the Archdiocesan Shrine of Our Lady of Lourdes in Cebu. On the same day, Bishop Khalid Rehmat, Apostolic Vicar of Quetta, Pakistan, presided over the priestly ordination of Salesian Alfred Barnard. The ceremony was held at the Don Bosco Chapel in Quetta. Both events were attended by numerous Salesians, the families of the ordinants and members of the Salesian family. The priestly ordination on 8 June in the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Madrid. Bishop Jesus Vidal, Auxiliary Bishop of Madrid, presided over the celebration in the presence of family, friends, young people, Salesian and other members of the Salesian family. The new priests are Norbert Mamba of the Spain's Mary Help of Christians province SMX and Juan Carlos Uanso of Spain's St. James the Greater province SSM. The new deacons are Francisco Xavier Alcido SMX, Alberto Artiaga SSM, Luigi Sergio and David Baccaro of the Italy's southern province IME. From 5th to 7 June, the Salesian province of Tanzania, TZA, organized the first edition of the Salesian Sports, which had as its theme, The Dream That Makes You Dream, and which involved all the institutes of the province. The Don Bosco campus in Dodoma has become a hive of sports activities with over 300 participants and 32 leaders. Boys and girls have been involved in different disciplines such as basketball, football, volleyball and netball. For many, it was an opportunity to meet and test themselves. Also present at the event were Father Michael Mua, Provincial Delegate for Youth Ministry, and Father Valerian Kwai, Delegate for the Salesian family in TZA province. At the end of the day, after the tournaments and a moment of prayer, the winning teams were rewarded. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.